Hello fitness enthusiasts, welcome to your friendly fitness guide. Today I've got a special treat for you, a 20-minute full-body workout designed specifically for beginners. This well-rounded routine doesn't require any gym equipment or previous experience. It's a great way to get your heart pumping, muscles working, and sweat dripping right in the comfort of your own home. Ready to jumpstart your fitness journey from the comfort of your own home? Then stick around. First things first, we need to warm up our bodies to get the blood flowing and prevent any injuries. Warming up is a crucial part of any workout routine. It prepares your body for the exercises to come and helps to increase your flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. Let's start with jumping jacks. This classic warm-up exercise is perfect for raising your heart rate and priming your muscles for the workout ahead. Stand with your feet together and your arms at your sides. Now, jump while spreading your legs and raising your arms. Then, return to the starting position. Continue this for a full minute. Feel your heart rate begin to rise and your muscles starting to warm up. Next up, we have arm circles. This exercise is great for warming up your shoulders and arms. Extend your arms out to the sides. Now, make small circles forward for 30 seconds. Then switch it up and make small circles backward for another 30 seconds. Feel the burn in your shoulders and arms as you keep those circles going. Remember, these warm-up exercises are just as important as the main workout itself. They kickstart your body, getting your muscles warmed up and limber, your heart rate up, and your mind focused. The goal here is to gradually increase your heart rate while also loosening up your muscles and joints. Now, let's take a moment to shake it off. Stretch a bit, take a sip of the water if you need to, and prepare yourself for the main workout. Remember to stay focused, listen to your body, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Fitness is not just about the destination, but also about the journey. Great job! Now that we're all warmed up, let's move on to the main workout. Remember, the key to a successful workout is consistency and perseverance. So let's keep that energy up and get ready to work those muscles. Here we go. Scene script. Let's start with the lower body. We'll be focusing on two exercises, squats and lunges. First up, squats. This is a fantastic exercise that targets your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. It also involves your core and lower back, so it's a great all-around lower body move. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing forward. Now, pretend you're about to sit in a chair. Push your hips back and bend your knees, lowering your body as far as you comfortably can. Your thighs should ideally be parallel to the floor. Your knees should not go past your toes, and your chest should be lifted. Now, push through your heels to get back up to the starting position. That's one rep. Remember, it's not about speed here. You want to take your time and really feel the burn in your muscles. Aim for 2 minutes of squats. If you can't do the full 2 minutes, that's okay. Do as many as you can, and you'll be able to do more as you get stronger. Next, we have lunges. This exercise works your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. It also helps improve your balance and coordination. To perform a lunge, start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Take a step forward with your right foot and lower your body until your right knee is bent at a 90-degree angle, and your left knee is hovering above the floor. Make sure your right knee is directly above your right ankle, not pushed out too far. Push back up to the starting position, then repeat with your left leg. That's one rep. Again, take your time. You don't want to rush through the movements. Aim for 2 minutes of lunges, alternating legs. If that's too challenging, do as many as you can and work up to more over time. Both squats and lunges can be modified to suit your fitness level. If you're a beginner, you might not be able to go as low. That's perfectly okay. What's important is that you're moving and challenging yourself. You'll get better with practice. These exercises might seem simple, but they're incredibly effective at strengthening and toning your lower body. They also help improve your stability and flexibility, which will benefit you in your everyday life. So really, you're not just working out, you're investing in your overall health and well-being. Well done. Let's move on to the upper body. Now, it's time to target the upper body with push-ups and planks. The upper body is an essential part of our overall physical strength and fitness. It includes muscles like the biceps, triceps, chest, shoulders, and back. By working on these areas, we can improve our posture, enhance our athletic performance, and even make everyday tasks easier. Let's start with push-ups, an all-time favorite and one of the most effective exercises for the upper body. This compound exercise primarily targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also engaging your core and lower back muscles. Here's how you do it. Start in a plank position with your hands placed firmly on the ground, right under your shoulders. Keep your feet close together. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. This is your starting position. Now lower your body by bending your elbows, keeping your elbows tucked close to your body. Go down until your chest is close to the ground but not touching. It's important to maintain a straight body line throughout the movement, so engage your core and glutes to avoid your hips from sagging or lifting. Then push your body up, extending your arms back to the starting position. Remember, the key is to keep your body straight and stable throughout the movement. Aim for a set of 10 to 15 push-ups to start with, and gradually increase as you get stronger. Next, we move on to the plank, another fantastic exercise that strengthens the entire upper body, particularly the shoulders, and also engages your core and lower back. Despite its simplicity, the plank is a powerful exercise that improves overall strength, stability, and posture. Here's how to get into the plank position. Start by getting on all fours. Place your forearms on the ground, elbows aligned below your shoulders. Extend your legs behind you, toes tucked into the ground. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Hold this position, keeping your core engaged, your hips in line with your body, and your neck neutral. Be careful not to let your lower back sag or your hips lift towards the ceiling. Try to maintain this position for 30 seconds to a minute, or as long as you can hold with proper form. Just like with the push-ups, you can gradually increase the duration as your strength improves. Remember, while performing these exercises, it's vital to focus on your form and technique. It's not about how many reps you can do or how long you can hold the plank, but about doing each rep and each second correctly and effectively. Also, don't forget to breathe. In the push-ups, inhale as you lower your body and exhale as you push back up. In the plank, maintain a steady and relaxed breathing pattern. Incorporating these exercises into your routine will not only help build and tone your upper body muscles, but also improve your functional strength, making you better equipped to handle physical tasks in your daily life. So, keep pushing, keep planking, and keep improving. Excellent job! Now let's focus on strengthening that core. A strong core is essential for overall fitness. Let's work on it with some bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are a fantastic exercise that targets multiple muscles in your core, including the abs, obliques, and hips. Not only does this exercise strengthen your core, but it also improves your balance and stability, two crucial components for everyday activities. To perform bicycle crunches, follow these steps. Start by lying flat on your back. Place your hands behind your head, with your elbows wide. This is your starting position. Now lift your knees to a 90-degree angle and lift your shoulder blades off the ground. Next, exhale as you bring your right elbow towards your left knee, while simultaneously straightening your right leg. Keep your leg off the ground to engage your core muscles. Remember, it's not about speed, but about control and precision. Inhale as you slowly switch sides, bringing the left elbow towards the right knee and extending the left leg. This completes one rep. You're essentially mimicking a cycling motion, hence the name bicycle crunches. Aim to do as many reps as you can in 2 minutes. Quality over quantity is key here. It's better to do 10 well-executed bicycle crunches than 20 rushed ones. Bicycle crunches are a great way to work your entire core. They require no equipment, so they're perfect for a home workout. Plus, the twisting motion helps to improve your overall agility and flexibility, which are vital for a healthy, active lifestyle. Remember, when it comes to core exercises, consistency is key. Include bicycle crunches in your regular workout routine for the best results, and as always, make sure to keep your movements controlled and precise. Your core muscles are some of the most important in your body, so it's worth taking the time to strengthen them properly. Great work! Now let's get that heart rate up. Cardio is key to burning calories and improving heart health. We'll do some high knees and jumping lunges. Both of these exercises are great for getting your heart rate up, and they also work various muscle groups for a total body workout. Let's start with high knees. This is a fantastic exercise that combines the benefits of a cardiovascular workout with the advantages of strength and speed training. It's a great way to improve your heart health, burn calories, and work on your lower body strength. To perform high knees, stand tall and start running in place. Lift your knees as high as you can, ideally until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Keep your hands open at waist height, palms down, and try to touch your knees to your hands as you lift them. Maintain a brisk pace to get your heart pumping. Remember to breathe and keep your core engaged throughout the exercise. We'll do this for 3 minutes. If you need to, you can slow down the pace or lower your knees a bit. But try to keep moving for the entire duration. This exercise is not just about speed, it's about maintaining a consistent rhythm. Now let's move on to jumping lunges. This exercise is a dynamic twist on the classic lunge, adding a jump for an extra cardio boost and working your legs and glutes even harder. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Step forward with your right foot and lower into a lunge, bending both knees to 90 degrees. Now here's the fun part. Explode up and switch your feet in mid-air, landing with your left foot forward in a lunge. Keep your movements fluid and try to land softly to protect your joints. As with the high knees, we'll do jumping lunges for 3 minutes. If the jumping is too intense, you can switch back to regular lunges. The goal is to keep moving and keep your heart rate up. So what are the benefits of these exercises? Well, both high knees and jumping lunges are fantastic cardio exercises that can help improve your cardiovascular health, increase your endurance, and burn calories. They're also great for working your leg muscles, including your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Moreover, these exercises engage your core, helping to improve your balance and stability. And because they're high-intensity exercises, they can also help improve your power and speed, which can be beneficial in various sports and physical activities. Remember, it's essential to listen to your body during these exercises. If you feel any pain or discomfort, slow down or modify the movement, and don't forget to hydrate and take short breaks if needed. Fantastic! Now let's wrap up with a cool down. A cool down is just as important as the workout itself. It helps bring your heart rate and breathing back down to normal, reduces the risk of muscle stiffness and soreness, and helps your body recover from the workout. So stick around and let's finish this workout strong together. Cooling down is just as important as the workout itself. It helps to gradually lower your heart rate and stretch those muscles. So let's move into our cool down phase, shall we? Start by taking a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale. Repeat this a couple of times, allowing your heart rate to slowly come down. Now let's stretch those major muscle groups we've worked during our workout. Begin with a standing quad stretch. Gently pull your right foot towards your glutes, keeping your knees together and your body straight. Hold for about 15 seconds, then switch to the other leg. This stretch is essential for preventing stiffness in your thighs. Next, we'll move to a hamstring stretch. Extend your right leg forward, heel on the ground and toes pointing upward. Bend your left knee slightly and lean forward from your hips, keeping your back straight. You should feel a gentle stretch along the back of your right thigh. Hold for 15 seconds, then switch legs. This stretch aids in relieving any tension in your hamstrings. Let's not forget our upper body. Extend your right arm across your chest and gently pull it towards your body with your left hand. Hold for 15 seconds, then switch arms. This stretch helps to relax your shoulders and arms. Lastly, let's stretch out our back with a simple standing twist. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, place your hands on your hips and gently twist your torso to the right, looking over your right shoulder. Hold this for 15 seconds, then switch to the other side. This stretch is great for relieving tension in your lower back. Remember, each of these stretches helps to increase flexibility, improve circulation, and reduce post-workout stiffness and soreness. Don't rush through them. Take your time and enjoy the process of cooling down and stretching your body. Congratulations, you've completed a full-body workout in just 20 minutes. Well done, beginners! You've just completed a full-body workout from the comfort of your own home. It's a huge accomplishment and you should be proud. Keep this momentum going. Consistency is crucial, and as you grow stronger, aim to gradually increase both the duration and intensity of your workouts. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fitness tips. Stay fit and stay healthy.